Hi guys, today I will be teaching you how to make actually not rainbow cloud slime, but cloud slime. And if you would like to make it colored, you just use food coloring. I got this recipe from Rainbow Playmaker, and she has really awesome slime recipes, so check her out if you like slime. We're first going to start off by adding half a cup of Elmer's school glue and combining it with a half a cup of water like we have here. So once you have combined a half a cup of glue with a half a cup of water, I'm just going to mix it really well. And sorry, I have food coloring all over my hands from another project that you'll see later. It's really fun and colorful, so be sure to check it out. Okay. Once you have that mixed up really well, you're going to take your activator, which mine is here in this yellow bottle. All it is a teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of warm water. Put that in there, mix it up. You should start getting your slime. Sometimes you actually have to just get your hand in there and kind of get messy. But it's slime, right? So who cares? It's supposed to be messy with slime sometimes. At least the making of it, at least. Okay, we're gonna need a little bit more. And just, it'll get there eventually. Gotta mix, 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 mix. Okay, now we're talking. You like the sound of that? Listen. Ah, so weird. Sounds kind of like when you stir macaroni and cheese or something. Okay, now that your slime is slimy and activated, we're going to start adding our secret ingredient to make our cloud slime. Okay, so the secret ingredient in cloud slime, for us at least, is this Snow Wonder. It's amazing, not just for slime, but for play as well. We're going to take 1 tablespoon. And just mix it in there, and then I'm going to take another teaspoon, put it in there, and now is the mixing. Now, this is going to take a little while because the snow has to expand. You add it in there when it's not expanded. And it's going to be like super, super tough at first. And you're going to think like, oh my god, this is not cloud slime. This is the opposite of cloud slime. But just keep mixing and it becomes slime, I promise. Cloud slime. Just gotta keep mixing. Another tip I learned is to get some body lotion, only about a pump or a squirt, and rub it in with your slime. It really, really helps to make it like more smooth and feel like way better. See how it seems like really tough? Just keep mixing it, keep mixing it. Okay, so this is just after like a minute of mixing, and it's already getting like way smoother, stretchier. See, you saw how hard it was before. It was like not stretchy, breaking apart. You just gotta work in the snow for a little bit, and it literally starts becoming like the best cloud slime ever. See how stretchy and cool that is? Now, to get like super good mixing and to get really stretchy cloud slime, I would say, oh, look at that, that's beautiful. I would say to keep mixing your slime with your snow for about 10 minutes until you really feel like the cloud slimy texture, you know? Oh, this is just so much fun to play with. I literally wish I could give everyone in the world a piece of this to play with because it's that fun. And it feels so good on your hands and soft and smooth. That's beautiful. And the smell of this actually smells really good because of the lotion. So keep that in mind too, like whatever lotion you use, if it has a scent, it'll give a slight scent to your slime. And now there we have it. Rainbow, or not rainbow, white cloud slime, about to be rainbow cloud slime. So cool, it just like falls away like kinetic sand, but it's slime. It's the coolest. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my Instagram, Happy Crafts, and that's happy_crafts, and my Facebook, happycrafts.diy. I do lots of giveaways and I have the coolest videos, DIY videos. Not just slime, but like everything. And it's cool. So be sure to check it out, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And anyone who shares the video, I automatically enter them into my monthly giveaway. So be sure to share. But if you share it and you're not subscribed and you win, then you don't win. You have to be subscribed. So good luck.